my name's Zach from STEMfinity, and today we're going to be doing our first ever unboxing video. We'd like to unbox a Bristlebot Kit 4-pack from one of our vendors called Brown Dog Gadgets. We love this vendor. They make a bunch of electronic STEM-based kits. It's a great introduction to robotics and electronic kits. Very easy to make. Yeah, without further ado, let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have some googly eyes, little motors, and some toothbrush heads. A few batteries here. We have some pipe cleaners. We have the double-sided tape and a little instruction card. Alright, so step number one, you just need to take off the double-sided tape and attach it to the very back of the toothbrush head. From there, you'll want to take your motor and make sure that you have the blue wire facing down and the red wire facing up, and the back of the motor is pointed towards the back of the toothbrush. Next, you'll just want to put the battery on top of it, and then you'll just squish that together. At this point, you'll want to test that the motor is working. If it's running, you're good to go. The next step, you just want to take your pipe cleaners, put one on the underside of the toothbrush, one on the lower side of the toothbrush, and twist the ends together. These will act as the legs. And last but not least, you'll want to put your googly eyes on. Put them somewhere towards the front, but you can be creative. Once it's all put together, wedge the red wire right between the battery and the pipe cleaner. Well, there you have it. That's the Bristlebot. And yeah, these are great for grades 3 and up, and you can personalize it to your own taste. So yeah, great kit.